Hi guys, here we've got iPhone on iOS 16 and let me show you how to blur home screen. So at first you have to open your settings, then find and select wallpaper, and here click on customize. So if you wish to blur your home screen, just tap on blur here, tap on done then, and that's it. As you can see, it is done. You can also do it from your lock screen panel. So smoothly hold your finger on your lock screen, and now let me pick another wallpaper, tap on customize, then tap on done, and finally customize your home screen. And as you can see, now we are in the same panel, so you can smoothly blur or unblur your screen by using the switcher. Tap on done, and that's it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.